Hey you guys, back. So my baby back ribs are all done, so I'm gonna put some sauce on it. Once again, under severe thunderstorm warning. That's why it looks sort of dark. So let me go put this on this meat. I'll also, you guys, put me some beef sausages in here in a crock pot. Let me show you a rib. Or to the rib. See, here they go right here. Ooh, it's hot. See, because I already was picking on one. Come right off the bone. Yes, indeed. Right off the bone. Tender that meat is. Woo! Okay. This is sauce. Nice seasoned very nicely. So, put some. So, I'm just going to stir the ribs up in here. And I'm going to add a little bit of this, you guys, in here with my barbecue sauce. Just a bit. Yes, indeed. Give it that little kick. So, you can. And I'm just going to let these simmer with this sauce on it for a good while. So when I finish this, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, here is my baby back rib. I have some pork sausages in there. I don't know, can you see? Let me see, cut that light on. Okay, that might be a little better. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let that simmer probably for like 10 to 15 more minutes, but the sauce can go all through the meat. And once again, you guys, I had used this and my favorite sauce here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to warm up the rest of my spaghetti Alfredo bake and get my potato salad. Then I will be ready to eat, you guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.